Back when I was working as a nuclear power electrician, we didn't just care if a motor ran. We cared about how it started, how it was shielded, and how long it would last under pressure. That's the same mindset I bring to your backyard when I'm looking at heat pumps. Today, we're tearing into a matchup between two basic category workhorses, the Maytag PSH4BE and the Tempstar Ion 16 T5H6S. Don't let the basic label fool you. These are the units that do the heavy lifting for most homeowners across the country, and there are some critical differences you need to know before you sign that check. When I walk up to a unit for a service call, the first thing I look at is the cabinet. The Maytag PSH4BE comes out of the gate swinging with a full louvered coil guard. As someone who has seen what a stray hailstone or a reckless weed whacker can do to those soft aluminum fins, those louvers are like armor plating for your investment. On the other side, the Tempstar Ion 16 uses a standard wire guard. It looks clean and allows for plenty of airflow, but it leaves that coil a lot more exposed to the elements and physical damage. If you've got kids playing ball in the yard or live in a hail-prone area, the Maytag's build quality gives it an immediate edge in the field-tested category. Now, let's talk about the guts, specifically the electrical impact of these machines. Both of these units are single-stage systems, meaning they are either 100% on or 100% off. Because they use standard single-speed compressors and fans, they hit your electrical panel with a massive spike of amperage every single time they kick on. It's like slamming a car into gear at 60 miles an hour. You'll probably notice your kitchen lights flicker for a split second when these start up. The Maytag pulls a 7.5 HSP F2 rating, while the Tempstar edges it out slightly with a 7.8. That means the Tempstar is a bit more refined in how it handles heat transfer, but both are going to be harder on your electrical components over time than a fancy variable speed unit would be. Pricing is where things get interesting. For the Maytag PSH4BE, you're looking at an equipment cost around $1,800 to $2,500, with total installed prices landing between $7,500 and $11,000. The Tempstar Ion 16 is priced very competitively, often showing up in the $1,800 to $3,000 range for the unit, with installed costs typically hovering between $7,200 and $10,000. It's a tight race on the wallet, but the Tempstar often provides a slightly lower barrier to entry for a system that's actually built right here in the USA, compared to the Maytag, which is manufactured in Mexico. Before I give you the final word, here's a tip from the field. A heat pump is only as good as the air it can breathe. If you let your filters get clogged or allow grass clippings to build up on those coils, you're basically suffocating the compressor. High head pressure from a dirty unit will kill a single-stage compressor faster than anything else. Keep it clean, and it'll keep you cool. When we look at the warranty battle, it's a tale of two different philosophies. Maytag is famous for their long-term coverage, offering a massive 12 years on both parts and the compressor. However, they only give you a 1-year unit replacement warranty. Tempstar goes the other way. They offer 10 years on parts and the compressor, but they back the Ion 16 with a 5-year, no-hassle replacement warranty. If that compressor fails in the first 5 years, they don't just swap the part, they give you a whole new outdoor unit. The verdict? I'm calling this one for the Tempstar Ion 16 T5H6S. While I love the louvered cabinet on the Maytag, the Tempstar wins the value proposition for the homeowner's bottom line. You get a slightly better efficiency rating, a USA-made product, and most importantly, that 5-year replacement guarantee. In the basic tier, having the manufacturer willing to swap the entire unit for 5 years is a safety net that Maytag just doesn't match. It's a solid, reliable machine that protects your bank account as much as your comfort. Shop like a pro using our head-to-head tool on the HVAC for Beginners website.